Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel and PSLE Math question number 88. There is one pair of parallel lines in the figure, and they are, for this kind of question, 它需要找到这个整个图里边的一组平行线 a pair of one pair of parallel lines. I highly recommend that students usually use a clear ruler made of plastic, which is here. 对于这样子的题型啊，我是非常建议我的学生们会用一个透明的transparent 的一个尺子来帮助我们去找到这一组平行线啊。To find, it is easier to use a ruler to find this pair of parallel lines. Alright? And with this ruler, we can see AF. Will there be one line parallel to AF? No, of course. You can see? No. AB? Oh, okay. AB, ED. 这我们已经找到 We can find it. And about EF? No, there isn't any. And how about CD? 有一点点像哦 CD 是有一点点像的，但是我们看到不一样嘞Not parallel 这题目出的也不是特别好，这地方有一点像是吧？但是不是。How about BC? No. OK. 所以最后呢，我们就很容易的就找到了AB is parallel to ED. Okay? I repeat again. I recommend you guys to use a transparent ruler, which is made of plastic most of the time, to solve this question. And with the help of this ruler, we can easily find two sides that are parallel to each other. Alright, so we choose 1. For this question, we choose 1. OK， 不要忘记我们用这个尺子的好处，好吗？接下来其他的题我还会告诉大家，一把透明的这个刻度尺是有什么样的优势，在我们解题的时候 ，OK， 不要用那种made of other material like made of wool made of metal 那些都不是，都是 they are opaque material. It's very hard for us to use. Alright, that is all for this question. Thanks for watching. This is Teacher J, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.